Hey, what's up, everybody? Just want to do a quick video workout for anybody out there that's a truck driver. Um, I do this workout because I don't have time when I get off of work. I just do a quick workout at home if I don't get to the gym. But I got quite a couple workouts that I do using just a dumbbell, and these are 20. I see these are 25 dumbbells. So I use two of them. One of the workouts I use is for my back and leg. I just set the weights. You can put one or two of them just right there. So I usually put two of them for more weight. That way you can feel it on your back and on your butt, under your legs. It's from sitting long in the truck, driving 4, 5, 8 hours. You can even take this dumbbells and leave it in your truck. You can stop somewhere and do a workout. You can do like 15 to 20 or even more if you feel like. I do a couple of those. Legs straight up in the air. That's one workout. You can feel it through your back, going all the way up to your neck and under your legs from a long day. Another workout that I do is a sit-up. Just a simple sit-up. I do a couple of those. If you can see me good. Do a couple of chest workouts. You can lift your back up. Go straight up. You can bring it in for your chest. Upper body workout. That'll hit your stomach. Oh yeah, you can feel it burning. Yeah, those are a couple workouts that I do during the day. Come after work, can't make it to the gym. I got some other workouts that I do, but those are a couple of them that I do basically every day from a long drive. Even if you're driving state to state, that's a perfect workout for you. Hit upper body and lower body. Thank you for watching.